Angelina Jolie, who parted ways with Brad Pitt in 2016, has now filed new documents in court alleging domestic abuse during their ongoing divorce proceedings. The filing also says that their children could freely speak out in court in their divorce hearings. Recently, Angelina Jolie detailed the allegations in court, and according to reports, she is willing to provide proof and authority in support of the claims. The court documents indicate that the actress will provide testimony herself along with that of her minor children. Angelina and Brad Pitt met while filming Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and they dated for several years before marrying in 2014. 2 years later, though, they separated and have been engaged in a bitter legal battle ever since. The former couple is still not divorced, however, the two had been declared legally single in April of 2019. Lawyers for Hollywood actor Johnny Depp recently said that a London High Court decision to reject his libel claim against a tabloid, which had labelled him a wife-beater, was plainly wrong and misconceived as they sought permission to appeal it. Depp, star of films such as Pirates of the Caribbean and Edward Scissorhands, had earlier gone to the London court to sue the tabloid and one of its journalists over an article that stated he had been violent towards Amber Heard, his former wife. Even Judge Andrew Nicol had ruled last November that Depp had violently assaulted his ex-wife Amber Heard during their tempestuous 5-year relationship, at times putting her in fear of her life. While Depp's lawyers asked the Court of Appeal for permission to challenge the findings, arguing that the judge had failed to examine the evidence and the arguments with the care that the parties were entitled to expect and which a proper resolution of the issues demanded. Following Nicole's verdict, seen as being highly damaging to Depp's career, he was asked to leave the Fantastic Beasts franchise, the movie spin-offs from the Harry Potter books and films.